Friends, I hope everyone stay home, be safe. Today we are going to see electromagnetic waves. Look back, one mark question. First one mark question. The dimension of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught is dash. C is equal to 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught. If you square on both sides, we will get C square is equal to 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. If you find the dimension for C square, we will get the dimension of 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. C is nothing, it is velocity of light. Therefore, velocity of light dimension is L t power minus 1. C square means L t power minus 1 whole square. Therefore, bring the square on inside the value. Therefore, L square t power minus 2. That is the answer for first one. Therefore, answer for first one mark is B option, L square t power minus 2. Second one mark question. If the amplitude of the magnetic field is 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 Tesla, then the amplitude of the electric field for an electromagnetic wave is dash. Velocity of light is equal to electric field by magnetic field. From that equation, electric field is equal to magnetic field into velocity of light. Therefore, 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 3 into 10 to the power plus 8. 3 into 3, 9. 10 power minus 6, 10 power plus 8, 10 power plus 2. If you bring in plus 2 value inside the value, we will get 900 volt meter power minus 1. Therefore, second one mark question answer is D option, 900 volt meter power minus 1. Third one mark question. Which of the following electromagnetic radiation is used for waving objects through fog? Fog is panimuttam. Panimuttam நம்ம suppose if you went to Ooty, Kodaikanal, in those days we are used film camera. Nowadays also in digital cameras some light will be present. Digital cameras, red color light will be present. Because during the fog time we cannot capture the pictures. Therefore, we are using infrared rays to take the picture through the fog. Therefore, answer for third one mark is infrared rays. That is the option. Fourth one mark question. Which of the following are false for electromagnetic waves? Because first one transverse, second one non-mechanical waves, third one longitudinal waves, fourth one produced by accelerating charges. So, in these four options, correct answer is longitudinal waves, because longitudinal wave is false one. That's why that is a correct answer. Because electromagnetic waves are transverse in nature, they are non-mechanical waves, they are produced by accelerating charge, but longitudinal waves, that statement is false. That's why it is correct answer. Fifth one mark question. Consider an oscillator which has a charged particle and oscillates about its mean position with a frequency of 300 MHz. The wavelength of electromagnetic waves produced by this oscillator is velocity of oscillator is equal to velocity of light into wavelength. From that equation, lambda is equal to velocity of oscillator by velocity of light. So 3 into 10 to the power 8 by 3 into 10 to the power 8 will get 1 meter. Answer for fifth one mark is 1 meter. Next, sixth one. Electric field and magnetic field associated with electromagnetic wave propagating along x-axis can be represented by dash. Solution. Electric field and magnetic field will be perpendicular to each other. Electric field will be acting along y-axis, that is indicated by j cap. Magnetic field is acting along z-axis, that can be indicated by k cap. So, if you multiply j cap cross k cap, that gives I cap. I cap means that can be indicated by x dash. Therefore, that wave will be represented by E vector is equal to E naught j cap and B vector is equal to B naught k cap. So answer is A option. That is E vector is equal to E naught j cap and B vector is equal to B naught k cap. 7th 1 mark question. In an electromagnetic wave in free space, the RMS value of electric field is 3 volt meter power minus 1. Now solve. The peak value of the electromagnetic field is dash. That is B RMS equal to B naught by root. From the equation, B naught is equal to B RMS root 2. Velocity of light is equal to E RMS by B RMS. From that equation, B RMS is equal to RMS means square value. So B RMS is equal to E RMS by velocity of light. Therefore, B naught is equal to E RMS by C into root 2. E RMS value will be 3. Velocity of light will be 3 into 10 to the power 8. Now, into 10, 1.414, that is the value of root 2. We will get 1.414 into 10 to the power minus 8 Tesla. That is the answer. A option is the answer for 7th 1 mark question. 8th 1 mark question. During the propagation of electromagnetic waves in a medium, dash, magnetic field UV is equal to V square by 2 mu naught. Electric energy is UE is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught E square. So therefore UE is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught BC whole square. Therefore UE is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught B square C square. Now C square is equal to 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. We already studied in the first 1 mark itself. Therefore substitute that C square value in the before equation. We will get 1 by 2 epsilon naught B square into 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. Therefore epsilon cancel, remaining term UE is equal to B square by 2 mu naught. Therefore UE is equal to UV. The electric energy density is equal to the magnetic energy density. 9th 1 mark question. If the magnetic monopole exists, then which are the Maxwell equation to be modified? The magnetic lines of force form a continuous closed path. No isolated magnetic monopole exists. Total magnetic flux is equal to 0. Therefore, closed integral E vector dot dA vector is equal to 0. That is the answer for magnetic flux. Therefore, magnetic flux is equal to 0. Answer is D option. Closed integral E vector dot dA vector is equal to 0. 10th 1 mark question. The radiation of energy E vector E falls normally on a perfectly reflecting surface. The momentum transferred to the surface is dash. Change in momentum is equal to P is equal to P final minus P initial. Therefore, E by C minus E by C. Therefore, minus and minus plus E by C plus E by C is equal to 2E by C. Therefore, answer for 10th 1 mark is B is equal to B option. That is 2E by C. 11th 1 mark question. Which of the following is an electromagnetic wave? Alpha rays are nothing. It is an helium nucleus. Beta rays are nothing. It is an electron. Gamma rays are electromagnetic waves. So, answer for 11th 1 mark is C option. That is gamma rays. 12th 1 mark question. Which one of them is used to produce a propagating electromagnetic waves? An accelerating charge is the answer for 12th 1 mark question. 13th 1 mark question. Let capital E is equal to E naught sine 10 power 6 into minus omega t be the electric field of plane electromagnetic wave. The value of omega is dash. Now for solution, E is equal to E naught sine kx minus omega t. And then second equation is we already given in the question. That is E is equal to E naught sine 10 power 6 into 10 power 6x minus omega t. That is second equation. Compare these two. First equation and second equation, we will get K is equal to 10 power 6. K is equal to omega by C. From the equation, omega is equal to K into C. Therefore, K value is equal to 10 power 6. C is the velocity of light. 3 into 10 to the power 8. We will get 10 power 6 into 10 power 8. We will get 10 power 14. So answer is omega is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 14 radians second power minus 1. That is a D option. 14th 1 mark question. Which of the following is not true for electromagnetic waves? In vacuum, the electromagnetic waves travels with different speeds which depends on their frequency. Velocity of electromagnetic wave is constant in vacuum. By using these two statements, we will find the answer. Which one is not true? So, it is transport energy, that is true. And then second option, it transport momentum, that is also true. C option, it transport angular momentum, that is also true. So, answer for 14th mark is in vacuum, it travels with different speeds which depends on the frequency. Last one much. The electric and magnetic fields of an electromagnetic waves are: first one, A, in phase and perpendicular to each other. That is the answer for 15th mark question. Thank you, students.